JCTRUTHER. We're gonna do another recipe. Just spaghettis, simple meat sauce and spaghetti noodles. Just throw ground beef in there, and I threw a 92 grass-fed local ground beef, Colorado proud. So like support your local, your local ranchers, your local businesses. Try to buy it local. So this is some local ground beef. Just browning it up now. And I added salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, a little bit of cilantro. It's just the regular beef for now. And once we've gotten browned it all up, yeah, these spaghettis take like fast. You could probably make them in like 15-20 minutes. And then we use fire roasted garlic, the Classico. This one's the best. You could get it anywhere. And then the noodles, just use the Barala al dente. Try to cook it al dente. Because if it sits there a little bit, it still cooks while it's warm on the plate, you know what I mean? Alright, that's done. Literally like a couple minutes, see? Fast. Add some water to it. On the same pan. Get all the flavorings from the bottom. Just add a little bit more salt. Turn it down. Some pepper. Garlic powder, cilantro, oregano, there you go, sauce is done. And just put it on low simmer, and you put the noodles in there. 7 minutes, and there you go. You got spaghettis. It's a quick, easy meal, but really, it's just some good noodles, and the Classico, and then just salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of oregano, for sure. You don't have to do cilantro, but like it is good with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of oregano. Classico, fire roasted, tomato and garlic, and just some good spaghettis. Make them up al dente, but yeah, it's a quick little recipe. But we got much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Catch me on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
JCTRUTHER. Much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.